everyone, this is Angie at Stamping with Amore, and today I am sharing a card, technique card, which is a fun fold. It's a very simple fun fold. It just folds out like that. But I just got back from the Stampin' Up convention and it was so much fun. I'm totally exhausted from it. So I decided to do a very simple card because they reminded us not to forget about our beginner stampers. And it's so true. Everybody's trying to do the over-the-top type cards, or, you know, some for more of the avid crafter who's always, you know, stamped before. So today I thought I'd do a card that is simple, yet it can be very elegant. I just added some of our silver foil here, and it really dressed it up. And I thought it really turned out really nice, and it's very simple. So I am sharing this card today. I'm using just one stamp set, and this just is the Season's Greetings from the stamp set. And this is all from the Wishing You Well. So this is a stamp set that you can use for any occasion. I mean, it has different sentiments on it. Just a note, wishing you well, and sending you our thoughts and prayers. And so you can see this could be very well used for Thanksgiving. It's got flowers here for springtime and for thinking of you type cards. So it's a really beautiful card, and this is one of our distinctive stamps, which kind of looks three-dimensional, and it stamps really beautifully. So if you're a beginner stamper, this is an awesome stamp set for you, and it's very simple to do. You'll see here in just a minute. And it's also really good for, you know, a regular crafter too, because the silver foil just gives it that little extra that it needs to step it up a little bit. So this is the card that I'm sharing. So for this card, you are going to need a piece of thick Whisper white. It is 8.5 by 5.5. We are going to score this, and I didn't score it because I want to show you how to score it for the fancy fold. And then you are going to need a piece of Designer Series paper. The Designer Series paper that I'm using is the Joyous Noel. It's the specialty paper. It's absolutely gorgeous, both sides. One side is foiled, one side is not, and we're using the unfoiled side this time. So you will need this piece, and this is for the inside matte piece. And we are going to, that is 4 by 5 3/8. And then you need two pieces for the front and the other inside part. And you'll need two of these, and these are 2 by 5 3/8. And then you'll need a piece of foil sheet. Actually, you don't even need the foil sheet. If you don't have it, you can just stamp your image and use this matting here. But the foil sheet is 3.5 by 3.5. The mat for the Tranquil Tide is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and then this is the inside of the card, or not the inside, the sentiment part, and this is 3 by 3. And then you need another piece that is 3 by 3 also for to match your inside of your card. So you need two 3 by 3s. Okay, let's get started on this. And so to score this card, you are going to score it on the 8.5 inch side at 2 1/8, and then at 4 1/4. So if you want to start just scoring it like a regular card, you can score it at 4 1/4, and you have your regular basic card, and then you can score it in that and a half at 2 1/8. But I just thought it would be simpler to just show you how to score it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. You're going to just fold it over. I need to grab my bone folder here. Everything's so unorganized from being gone. And then you just fold it back, and then we're ready to mat it. So let's go ahead and mat the inside. And then we're going to mat this piece right here. And I try to keep these lines lined up so it looks uniform. And then the last one. And then that is that. So the next thing, we're not going to put our inside piece on first until we get our front piece stamped and matted. So we're going to stamp on this one using the Wishing You Well. And we're going to stamp in Tranquil Tide. So you need only 2 inks and 1 stamp set for this. Let me make sure. Hopefully I'm going to get this centered. And it's so pretty, super easy and quick. And then we're using Lovely Lipstick for our bow. And you're just going to stamp that right there. And that is as quick and easy as you can get. So stamping is not difficult, and it is so much fun, so relaxing. So if you are a beginner, consider it, because it's just a lot of fun. And we're matting this to our Tranquil Tide. And then we're going to mat it again to our silver foil. And now on this part, we are only matting, you're only going to put adhesive on half of this. And I'm going to use my Fast Fuse for this part because it's a little bit stronger. And you're going to just fold that back over and you're going to center it in the middle of your card. And basically, you have your card. Now we're going to mat this piece on the inside, but the reason I wanted to mat it after, because I want to get it where you're not going to see it, because if I put it up too far, you're going to see it. So we want to make sure it's in the center, and I'm going to stamp it after we get it on. You can use, here's a little tip, you can use your Tombow multi-purpose glue, and you can have a few minutes of wiggle time to set this down in case you do get it off-centered. And then we're going to just grab the Tranquil Tide one more time. And we're going to stamp the Season's Greetings right there. And it's such a really pretty, elegant sentiment there. And if you want to step this up, I don't want that to smear. If you want to step it up a hair, you can add some Wink of Stella to your wreath here and to your bow. So very, very quick and easy, but it's a very nice card. So I hope you enjoyed Technique Tuesday, and if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Don't forget to use the hostess code to get rewards. It's in a drawing. I do a drawing every month to give you rewards, free rewards at the end. I'll pick one person to get it. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.